Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a video on slime. Probably guess when I do the title of the video. I don't know, maybe not. Don't even know what the title will be. Video of slime. Contents slime. Nah. Anyway, so we got this slime. Unicorn. Hate unicorns. And crazy slime. No, but really, when I was little, like maybe 4 or 5, probably 4 to 5, I loved unicorns, let's just say. Watch My Little Pony all the time. Should expect to have more unicorns and stuff. And more ponies and unicorns and Pegasus. How do I remember that stuff? Pegasus. It's like just a horse with wings. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Whoa, I don't even know one thing. It's okay. Back to the video. It's flamingo. Got it from my mum as one of her presents for Mother's Day. I don't think she was very impressed by it. Got her chocolate though. She liked it. No, she did like some of her presents. This, I don't think she's too impressed by. Don't think she'd bother. Anyway, so we got this slime. Hold on, let me just put I'm only using my phone today. Well, no, not phone. iPod Touch. It's my old iPod Touch. I would use a phone, but my new phone, but I don't have any storage. Okay, so let's get this out. This is also crazy slime. And this orange. Well, they say that. Let's see if it is crazy, if it's just slime. This is, I don't actually know. It's actually really weird. It's not slime. No, it doesn't even break it. It's only like that because well, oh my god, that doesn't even. Okay, look. Slime should not be a bit stickier. Yes, it doesn't even stick together. Oh man, I don't like this. Hey, it's got all the pollen from the table now. Like the palm tree pollen. Sounds like faster. I like it all of a sudden. Anyway, let's go on to this orange one. Another crazy slime. Bright orange. Let's get it out. Oh, it's very bright. I like it. And this is what I call slime. There we go. Much better than that blue stuff. That blue stuff was surely shouldn't be called slime. This is slime. You know how now people make slime themselves? That's what we call slime. It's not. The stretchy slime is more like slime, but fluffy slime and everything, I wouldn't say it's like slime. But anyway, I call it fluffy slime because I make it. Like I wasn't the one who named it or started it or anything. But I do make slime, so if you want a video on me making slime and like tutorials and please say in the comments. And yeah, if you want a certain slime, please say and I'll probably give it a shot. I also sell slime to my friends though. So yeah, that slime is pretty good. But I meant to like a field. Ew. Sound really girly, but that's like ew. Yeah, I don't think I was quite like that. But I've got all this orange stuff from that orange slime left. Well, let me just get some tissue. Yummy. Okay, and I'm back. Just got some tissue. flamingo's flapping its wings, but not because it's this. It's not been in the sun, so I'm guessing it's from the wind. Last but not least, this blue one with a unicorn in it. Don't actually know why I got it. I don't like ones anymore. That's so last year. I realised. Okay, let's just get a bit. No. Okay. Not really slide, but I like it. But sorry, you can hear background noise. Okay, so this is it all together. So I'm sure you can see. I actually might think there's more in the pot. So my brother's laughing in the background. I'm missing out on the family traditions that we don't have. No, but I'm missing out something. Anyway, so this, it's like a rubber. Maybe it is a rubber, or some people call it a racer. I call it a rubber. So you just rub something out. Come on, what am I missing out on? It'd be good if my mum was laughing. Anyway, so yeah, maybe it is. Kind that material. I was literally just about to pass it to camera to feel the texture of it. How stupid am I, man? I need to go and consider my life after this video. Okay. This is barely slime. Whatever it is I like. I might just need to wipe a bit of this orange stuff from that orange slime off. It's all dry now, just like that. Anyway, so yeah. Can you get moldable slime? I think you can. Or thick slime left. No thick. Anyway, yeah, it's that moldable slime. Does it say moldable slime or something? Oh, it's not slime. It's potty. It literally just said putty. I'm going putty, mummy. Okay. What is it for? Poo or wait? Oh my god, I just sound so stupid right now. Yeah, I really consider my life after this. Nah. Anyway, yeah. So that's why it's not like slime. I like it. I like it. It only costs €1.99. Euro, in case you're wondering what I said. Because I'm in Ibiza. Ibiza. I don't think I really can. But, yeah, so this is what I got. I don't like the glitter, but I like playing with it, so I'm going to keep it. The unicorn I hate, so I'll just throw it away. Now I find it useful, probably. Or throw it away. Give it to a friend who likes unicorn. Farts. Okay, really. Farts. What the hell is going on in there? Well, anyway, so I just knocked the whole table. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm getting really distracted by them. What the hell are they laughing? Anyway, so hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, some of my friends stuff looking after about me being gone. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, as I said about 10 times. Now, if you liked it, please like it. Just below the video, not like it in your head. Please subscribe. What the hell? What are they even? Okay, I'm going in a moment's sake. And then I hope you subscribe. And if you want any certain videos on, it doesn't have to be slime. I might start a slime playlist though. And then yeah, please say, and I'll see what videos I can make. If you got any suggestions, that would be great, because I went out of ideas very, very quickly. Hope you liked it, and see you.